Have a great day, Mama Sir. My name is Hernali Palma, 33 years old, from Philippines. I am a single mother with 3 children. I have an 8 years experience as a domestic helper in Arabic family at Muscat, Oman. My daily duties and responsibilities are prepare and serve nutritious meals for children, collected care out and wash laundry, engage with children, accompanies the children to and from school, supervise when they are eating and playing. Sometimes, I go marketing of the children's needs like snacks, fruits, milk, and diapers. Responsible for the well-being of the children, ensuring their safety. Maintain a flexible and positive attitude. I am a hardworking individual with trustworthy and patience, and I can work with unsupervised procedure. Mom and Sir, if you give me a chance to be a part of your family as your domestic helper, I will do my best to fulfill my daily duties and responsibilities as well. Thank you.